The 15-minute city is a United Nations and World Economic Forum plan because they care about you, aka want you to drive less, for starters. In the World Economic Forum's own words, this rearrangement of cities is absolutely about climate change. Quote, as climate change and global conflict cause shocks and stresses at faster intervals and increasing severity, the 15-minute city will become even more critical, end quote. And the solution was the pandemic. They really say that part as well. To this end, Oxfordshire County Council, which is run by Labour and the Liberal Democrats and the Greens, want to divide the city of Oxford into 6 15-minute districts. The council plans to cut car use and traffic congestion by placing strict rules on car journeys. The idea you should be able to do everything within 15 minutes. Residents will have to register their evil cars with the council, and they'll be tracked to count their journeys through the key gateways. Under the new proposals, if any of Oxford's 150,000 residents drives outside of their designated district more than 100 days a year, them could be fined £70 to be paid in Metagreta Gov coins. It all sounds ridiculous to suggest a lockdown for the climate, but if you listen to the BBC, they're working awfully hard to persuade us, connecting the 15-minute city to the fun of COVID lockdowns and setting all this up as though it's totally normal to have the government choose your friends. Quote, how 15-minute cities will change the way we socialize. That's the headline from the BBC. And look out, it ain't just Oxford. Turning up in Brisbane, Melbourne, Barcelona, Paris, Buenos Aires, and of course, to my complete lack of surprise, Portland. But Oxford City Council seems to be moving faster than all those other places. Oxfordshire just approved on November 29th the traffic filters trial, which will turn the city into a 15-minute city. The trial will start on January 2024. The trial is capitalized, like the Kafkaesque hellscape these so-called progressive elites are trying to ram us into. We've got the links to the United Nations site, the 15-Minute City, and 15minutecity.com.